I have a Samsung refrigerator RF260beaesg/AA and the ice maker stopped working. The filter light came on, so I turned off the water, replaced the filter and turned the water back on 2 days ago, and it still is not producing ice.
How long have you had your RF260beaesg?
2 to 3 years.
What have you tried so far with your Samsung product?
Pushing the button on the bottom of the ice maker. It makes some noise, but that is it.
Anything else you want the electronics expert to know before I connect you?
I don't think so.
Hello, this is Mark. I'll be assisting you today. You will see some phone call pop-ups. Those are sent by the site automatically. Ignore them if you do not want a phone call. Again. Ignore the pop-ups. The site sends those, not me. Unplug your fridge for 5 minutes, then plug back in. That should reset the ice maker. When it encounters an error like filter needed to be replaced, it stops making ice. Then after replacing the filter, you will need to reset the ice maker, and the easiest way to do that is to unplug for 5 minutes, which resets the computer board in the ice maker.
Okay, do you wait to see if it worked?
I'll wait for sure. No problem.
Thank you.
Happy to help.
Does this cost me by the minute? Just wondering. Is this costing me?
No. Not at all.
Okay, thanks.
We could chat for a whole day and it doesn't cost you any more than the initial cost. So, nothing more than that.
I just plugged it in, so what do I do now?
Nothing. That will reset the fridge. Just make sure that it comes on and your temperatures are all as you usually set them.
Did that. Now do I just wait to see if I get ice?
Then your ice maker should cycle on. It's going to take a while for your ice to freeze and all that.
Okay, I will wait. Thanks for the help. Bye.
Doesn't affect what you pay at all, just whether or not the site pays me for my time. You can give your rating by selecting one of the 5 stars located on the top right of the question page. Have a great day. Also, feel free to return to this window and ask any other questions you might have if the ice maker does not come back on.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.